In today's video I want to show you guys how you can fix sound problems and come to the equalizer settings on your Panasonic TV. Okay, for the first step we click on the picture button like this, and here we come to the quick menu. And after that we go to the left, click on sound, and here we can go on sound mode, and the sound mode should be user, and then we click on user settings, and here we have intelligent equalizer. This can we turn off, and then we can also do something else. We could here select our output device, which is really important if you use external speaker or something else, and you also can do the dialogue enhancer. You can turn it on, and which is really important, if your sound isn't working you can reset your sound to reset all settings, and after that your sound should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.